Zippy Nyangweso. So today I'm going for bed hunting at Kiambu Road. Along Kiambu Road, there's this place that most TikTokers, YouTubers, the likes of Mungai Eve, Official Kenothia, Akina Commentator, and Wambo Ashley have highly talked of. So today I've decided to pay them a visit and see what they have. Initially, I wanted a traditional bed, and I visited Ngong Road. As you all know, along Ngong Road, beds, VT, Apple. But then it was way much above my budget. So I decided to look for an alternative. And this alternative, iko highly, imeongelelewa sana. So today, I'm going to visit them and see what they have. Come with me. So guys, I'm right at the place. This is Bed Palace at Thindigwa along Kiambu Road. Yes, niko kwa showroom yao. As you can see, everything is aesthetically pleasing hapo. So, disclaimer, this is not a paid ad. I'm just giving you what I saw at the place. And after like weighing my options, definitely I will have to get a bed from them. Because kila kitu inakaa vizuri and I really liked it. Kila kitu iko tu sawa. So, guys, stick around and see what I will get for myself. Because after making an order, nililipa deposit and then siku visit the place again. They made the delivery kwa kwangu. So, let's see what I got for myself. Guys, good morning Kenyan time. I'm standing right inside my bedroom. So as you all know, this is a stand to be my favorite room so far. So last week I told you that I was working on a project, and so the project reveal is coming down in the next few minutes. So guys, I'm excited to unwrap a new bed with you and also do the installation with you. The delivery guys should be here in the next few minutes. So as we wait for them, we are going to get someone to dismantle this bed, and also I clean the place as we wait for the guys to come. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what you would want me to do. What kind of contents do you want me to do more? What kind of content? Is it cleaning? Is it makeovers? Is it food? Is it like clothing? You know, let me know in the comment section. Nigani sana sana mnafurahia. This is something I want to hear from you. So write in the comment section as we unwrap our new bed. So guys, I'm starting off by cleaning the place, and since the curtain inakuwa inafika chini, I will have to fix it ndio niweze ku clean the place comfortably.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want you to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell.
Finally guys, my bed is here. I was so worried I didn't have to go to the place, and delivery has been done guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you through the installation process. As you can see, the guys on delivering, they do the installation for you, because hey, ikitanda ni mzito guys. So, and iko tu sawa. I really liked it. As you all know, napenda white. I went for this color because I've always wanted to have a white bedroom. So
Now I guess I'll never know.
So guys, this is our bed. As you can see, kitanda imekuwa fixed. It looks good. Yes, it really looks good. So from there you can tell there is something which is missing. So wacha tuweke mattress, but then the mattress which I'm going to use is for the previous bed, and of course it will not fit here. So I waited for the bed to be delivered so that I can go for the mattress, but for now this is what I will use. As you can see from the look of things, nitaitumia for some time before ordering for another mattress. Si unaona there is that space that is being left on the side because the mattress cannot fit the bed, but we'll get the mattress for this bed, so don't worry. So kama kawaida, I'm going to make this bed with you guys. Let's see how it will turn out.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like never
So today, guys, I'm going to use this duvet, the striped one, because the other one inaka kidogo for this bed. I've had this for the longest time ever, so it was for me to use it again because I really like this duvet. But then nitaongeza the duvet cover so as to remain to retain the white theme for the bedroom. So stay tuned and see how it will turn out, guys.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on, and even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
guys, this is the final look. As you can see, it is aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. I like how this bed has turned the face of the bedroom and everything looks good now. So guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, remember to like this video, remember to comment, and remember also to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I have a new upload, you'll be among the first to get notified. So see you in the next one, and bye.